Hey there. Today, I'm diving into one of the toughest challenges we all face, bouncing back after a failure. It's not easy, I know, but trust me, it's possible. First, let's take a moment to acknowledge our feelings. Failure can sting. It can bruise our ego and shake our confidence. But here's the thing, it's also an incredible opportunity for growth. Step 1. Embrace the setback. Seriously, give yourself some grace. Everyone fails. It's part of the journey. Think about it, every successful person you admire has faced failure at some point. The key is to view failure not as a dead end, but as a detour pointing you in a new direction. Next, reflect on what went wrong. Take out a notebook and jot down your thoughts. What could you have done differently? What did you learn? This step is crucial because it turns your failure into a learning experience. Now, let's talk about setting new goals. Start small. Small victories build momentum. If you aim too high too soon, you might set yourself up for another stumble. So break your goals down into manageable steps. Each small success will fuel your motivation. Also, surround yourself with positivity. Whether it's uplifting books, motivational podcasts, or inspiring people, fill your life with sources that boost your morale. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Another tip, visualize your success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals. Feel the triumph, the joy, the satisfaction. This mental rehearsal can ignite your motivation and keep you focused. Don't forget to celebrate your progress. No matter how small, each step forward is a step in the right direction. Reward yourself for your hard work. This not only boosts your morale but also reinforces positive behavior. And finally, be patient with yourself. Rebuilding motivation takes time. It's a process, not a race. Keep pushing forward even if progress feels slow. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So let's recap. Embrace the setback, reflect and learn, set small, achievable goals, surround yourself with positivity, visualize success, celebrate progress, and be patient. You've got this. Failure is just a stepping stone on the path to success. Keep moving forward, stay motivated, and bounce back stronger. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on self-improvement. Catch you next time.